Hey, what's up, YouTube? Easter's coming, so I'm not a candy eater, but I'm gonna try to find some more sugary drinks. Um, so I was in the Giant today, and I found this new iced tea I've never seen before. Bare Nature Vitamin Iced Tea. Vitamins. Hold on a second. Okay, so it's lemon flavored. It has vitamins in it. So I don't know if it's gonna taste good. Be good for you. I'm sure it's good for you. It doesn't have all the vitamins, but if it's gonna taste really bad. Smells pretty good. Damn recordings. I must be thirsty, but it does taste good. I do smell the vitamins in it. Really, really sweet. It has like 23 grams of sugar per 8 fluid ounces. There's 2.5 in here. 2.5 servings, so it's like 60 grams of sugar, I think. I just drank about 8 ounces, I could say. And anyway, like, subscribe, comment, and do all the YouTube stuff you do in 2018. I'll see you next time.